Nikki here with another haul. This is one from Peppermint Planner, and I love their new buffalo plaid coloring. I think it's sweet. I love it. I love everything about it. And it even says thank you for shopping. I haven't even opened it, guys. I wanted to open it with you. So let me do the unveiling. It says Bunny Hugs Cricket, Peppermint Planner. That is so sweet. I hate to open it because then it's going to rip my little name, but I have to do that. Let's see. Open it. First of all, I always love her note cards. I think they're so sweet. This was the Hello Fall, and I will definitely be using this in my TN. I love them. And then the bunny hugs. Look, that's so sweet. And they're stickers. So I love those. And then she sent the November 2018 calendar. And then this freebie. Happy fall, y'all. And it has the collect the bunny butts. So don't forget y'all's bunny butt. Chris's Peppermint Planner. This is her freebie. I used her code. Love that. Shake that bunny butt. Survived today. So tired. PR post. PMP order, which broke because of my PMP order. No, seriously not, because they are absolutely so affordable. Love it. And then I got the Jelly Bean Peekaboo. She not adorable? I love those. And then let's see what I got here. This was the freebie Friday that I got. There is always something to be thankful for the weekend. Clean the microwave. Definitely need that. And then this kit right here is called Blue Christmas. And as soon as I saw it, I had to have it. Look how beautiful this is. Here are your full boxes. Snowflakes, I love. My tree's done in snowflakes and snowmen. Not now, I promise. Half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment boxes. And look, there's a little gift in that box and a little Christmas ball in that one. How adorable. The feel of her paper is amazing to me. I love it. Your habit trackers, your living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. I always use these. The to-dos. What's for dinner? Look, a little chef hat right there. That's adorable. Habit trackers. Hydrate. She already wrote it in for you. Small flags. Check flags, I mean. Small flags. Your scripts. Freebie Friday. Family time. Trash. Date night. Day off. $2 Tuesdays. I mean, everything. You can use everything, and I usually do. It's the freaking weekend, and I love how she does the washi tape. Look, the planner that matches the kit, Happy Mail. I mean, she does everything for you guys. Love it. Your full check boxes, and I love that each one is a different design. From the Christmas balls to snowflakes. I mean, it's just perfect. Absolutely perfect. Your bottom washi, your washi strips. Again, perfect, and there's snowflakes, so I'm a happy girl. So your full boxes, your half boxes, and your scallops. And then your day covers with your dates and your washi strips. Is this not beautiful? This is like so beautiful. I cannot wait to use this. And I mean, this is not Christmas. This is winter. So, I mean, you can use this depending on where you live all the way up into February. A lot of times we don't even get our coldest weather here in the South until February. So I will definitely be using this kit. I cannot wait to show you my plan with me when I use it. Y'all check them out at Peppermint Planner, and I will have all their information down in the description below. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Bye-bye.